In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start trading stocks and ETFs using Robinhood's online platform. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to get more comfortable with the web interface, I'll walk you through each step to help you navigate the platform efficiently and make informed trading decisions. First, open your browser and head over to robinhood.com. Once you're there, simply log in with your credentials to access your account. Make sure you're logging in from a secure device and using a strong password for your safety. After logging in, if you're looking to explore your trading options, you can either click on Browse Stocks to see what's available, or just use the search bar at the top of the page. For most strategies, start by choosing a stock or ETF that's considered liquid, which means it's traded in high volumes. This makes it easier to enter and exit trades quickly. Once you've selected a stock or ETF, it's a good idea to do some basic analysis before making any trades. On the Assets page, click on the Advanced section. There, you'll find an option for charts. Clicking on this will allow you to access technical indicators. Go into the Indicators menu, and from here you can add tools like the Exponential Moving Average, Relative Strength Index, or MACD. These indicators can help you identify trends and momentum, which are crucial for timing your trades more effectively. At this point, decide on your trading strategy. Are you planning to day trade, which means entering and exiting trades within a single day? Or are you looking at swing trading, where you might hold a position for several days? There's also scalping, which involves taking quick, small profits multiple times during the day. Whichever strategy you choose, be sure to stick with it and understand the risks and requirements involved. When you're ready to make a move, click on Trade, select Buy, and then enter the number of shares you wish to purchase, or specify a dollar amount if you prefer. Before your order goes through, click Preview Order to make sure everything looks correct, and then hit Submit to finalize the trade. Risk management is essential, so don't overlook the tools Robinhood provides. Setting a stop loss will ensure your shares are sold automatically if the price drops to a predetermined level, helping you protect your capital. Conversely, setting a limit sell lets you lock in profits by selling automatically if the price hits your target. After placing your trades, you can keep track of them under the Account section, then click Investing. Here, you'll see all your open positions, and you can easily adjust or close trades as the market moves. Finally, remember that trading is most effective when you're consistent and disciplined. Make it a habit to track your results, learn from your trades, and avoid the temptation to overtrade. Stick to your strategy. Use the tools at your disposal, and always manage your risk carefully. That's it for today's walkthrough on trading stocks and ETFs on Robinhood. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you feel more prepared to get started with confidence. Happy trading!